Hel- Hello guys. So let's start to write the code for the leap year. So first we have to open the Python shell. There we have to click for the new file. After clicking the new file, so we are going to write the code for leap year. So yes, leap year to check whether the year given is leap year or not. So yes. So first, what are the rules for leap year? Is like it should be divisible by four. The given year must be divisible by four, and year must be even divisible by 4,000. As the years will be in the form of what say like generally the leap year will be having 365 and of days, so that's the reason. So it should be divisible by 400, and even the year should be modulo of 100. So these are the three conditions which we need to be following to create the code or to write the code for the particular thing to check whether the given year is leap year or not. So these are the things we need to follow. So first we need to take, we have to define, like we'll define it, this thing, function which def, let's check, let's take the thing like the class or function like define leap, but we'll be giving the object name as year. And so now we'll check for the given year. So let's we can take if statement. I'm using here if for conditions, right? So if the given, so as the here we have mentioned year, I'm going to take like year modulo 400. So let's take first for 4. Okay, let's take we come with a 400, as even if it is 4 into 100 it will be become 400, right? So let's go with 400, and this should be equal to 0, like this reminder should be equal to 0. Or okay, after that let's take or. Now one more condition to be used, like now we have used for the 400, right? We have 104 been there, so let's take year modulo 4 equal to 0, and year modulo 100 equal to 0. If it satisfies the condition, like if we take this condition or else the condition which we have given here, so either it should satisfy the condition of 400, then it's divisible, or else it should satisfy the condition of 4 and 100. So if it satisfies, we have to print given year is a leap year. Yes, given year is leap year. So let's even define. So we haven't yet given year is leap year. So we haven't yet created this thing, right? Let's wait. Let's create. And now let's go with the else part. So this is okay. Now we are going to the else part. Else print given year is not a leap year. Year. Yes. Then we are over with this. And now let's take the input from the user. First of all, actually we are supposed to take the input from the user, right? So let's do it now. Like first year equal to int of input of enter the year. Enter the year. So let it be in the words. So this, as we are using the integer and it will take the input. So this will take the input. And now to print the result, we will use this, what class we have defined. That class will be used like check leap, and which will be giving the year. So here this will check the year. So this is what the code. See, first we have defined this function for condition to check whether it is leap or not. We'll be having three conditions. Like if it is divisible by 400, no need to check the both other conditions. We can directly print it's a leap year. If not, we are supposed to check for this condition and even this condition. And then if it is a leap year, it will print. So let's save it and run it. So let me save it. Yeah, leap year.py. As it's already say as type its Python files, I'm going to save it. Yes, it's saved and it's been running. So let me enter the year 1967, for example. So it's not a leap year. So let me enter again, go to the file, leap year dot and run again. So we'll be getting, and now let me enter the year 2000. Let me enter the year like 2000. Let it be 2000. Okay. Yes, given year is a leap year. So this is what the program we have done. So yes, that's it. Thank you.